Today I will show you how to fix the keyboard typing wrong letters in Windows 11. You need to come to the bottom of your screen, click on the Start menu icon, and from above, open the Settings. In the Settings window, come over to the left and select Time and Language, and now click on Language and Region. Here, make sure you have the correct language and region selected according to your keyboard. You can change the language from here, and can add a new language by clicking on this Add Language button. Now, from your selected language, click on this icon to open a menu and select Language Options. Scroll down to Installed Keyboards and make sure the correct keyboard is installed, respective to your selected language. If you can't find the correct keyboard installed here, just click on this Add a Keyboard button to manually install it. Most of the keyboards are QWERTY in English languages, so keep in mind to select the correct type. Go and see if this has fixed your issue, and if it doesn't, we can try a few different methods. From the Settings window, again select Time and Language. Now click on Typing option, and make sure both of these suggestions are turned off. You can also turn off autocorrect from here if the Windows is actually breaking the words without correcting them. Also open Advanced Keyboard Settings. Click here to open the language list and select your preferred keyboard language. Now open Language Bar options and a new pop-up will appear. Go to Advanced Key Settings, select this option from the list, and click on Change Key Sequence. Make sure to select Not Assigned from both of these options, click OK, Apply, and again, click OK. These settings will disable the keyboard shortcut that changes the typing language, and some users may keep accidentally changing the language of keyboard to type the wrong letters. I will also suggest you turn off sticky keys because it can cause several typing issues. From the Settings window, select the Accessibility tab, scroll down to Interactions, and click on Keyboard. And make sure this option right here is turned off. Also open it and turn off the shortcut because you can accidentally turn the sticky keys on by pressing Shift for 5 times.